Hi everyone, welcome back to Growing with Blake. In this episode we're going to learn how to grow an acorn as requested by AC Patterson. So those of you who don't know, an acorn will grow into an oak tree. So you will need some potty mix, a Ziploc bag, some tissues, a spade, some water, a pot plant, and an acorn. So let's hunt for some acorns. You should find them under any oak tree during the summer and autumn time. Luckily, some of these acorns have already started to develop a root system, so we'll grab some of those and we'll grab some that don't have it, and let's get started. So if you've watched my avocado video, it's very similar. We just wrap up the acorn in the tissue, we dunk it in the water, squeeze out all the excess water, and then we pop it in the Ziploc bag. We just repeat that till we've done that to all of our acorns. Now that we've done all that, we grab the bag and we'll just place it somewhere out of the sunlight. I like to put mine just on top of the fridge. So it's time to go check on our acorns. So we'll carefully peel off the tissue from the root system that's grown from our acorns. As you can see, they're looking pretty healthy. So now it's time to put them in soil. And let's not forget to water them. Now we'll pop them away somewhere in part shade, part sun, and we'll wait and see what happens. So let's go check, see how they're doing. As you can see, they're doing quite well. As you can see, there's some wondrous new growth there. I've even done a couple of extras off camera. I would say that that has been successful, and yeah, that's how you grow an oak tree. Drop a comment in what we should grow next. Hopefully you'll see me next time.